Hello guys, me friends back with another YouTube video, and today we'll be unboxing the HyperX Quadcast S microphone. So this is the microphone. I can't talk. This microphone is made by HyperX, and it has customizable RGB lighting through their software, anti-vibration shock mount, and a tap to mute and unmute sensor. So I'll be right back. Is 170 at Best Buy. That's where I got it from. HyperX has you covered. Got issues with your HyperX Quadcast contact experience teams for quick response and support. HyperX, no offense, the only thing that we always gonna other than my baby. That makes a video. My 1 month review on that video is processing through YouTube now. So by the time this video is up, I'll pop it up right here or over here, or both. It'll be up.
No, he thirsty.
I was making a video. Oh, it's upside down. Oh, it wasn't upside down. There's the box. HyperX has great packaging. There and tape on it. Don't take it off. I like it. Should be like a little book or something. How do I open it? Oh, like a little thing on the side. Well. And here it is, the HyperX Quadcast S microphone. But let's get this plugged up into my PC. Yes, my PC can. But get this up so it can work. Oh, here it goes, the back. So to plug it in, they have this little part at the back where you can plug it in, the USB port. And we have action! There it is, the HyperX Quadcast S. See when you mute it, hello, you mute it, it turns off. Tap back, hello everyone. Okay, what's going on, guys? It's me, Prince, back with a unplug it or something. Not gonna work, or what's going on? I want a refund! HyperX, I want a refund! Ow. Scrapping it. Alright, there you go. I guess down here it's just like the speed of it or something. Okay, yo, this is one of me friends back with another YouTube video. Well, yeah, this is my setup for now. Ignore the mess. Let me turn on my laptop. because I need to get my router. My router comes tomorrow on Monday. But when today's date, but when this video is being recorded, it is May. I believe it's the 15th or the 16th. I don't know. Is my laptop dead? It's dead. My laptop is dead. Alright, my HyperX Quadcast on. Now it's time to So here's the setup for now, boys and gentlemen. That is my PC down there. Ignore the cords. This is my mic that I just showed. Okay, all I need to back in another YouTube video. Yeah, my HyperX Pro TKL. And my Logitech G502 mouse that needs to be cleaned. I did a hand cam video on my Twitter, and people didn't believe that's actually how I play Fortnite. That's how I play Fortnite. Look, this is my keyboard is at an angle like this. And I can't play with my mouse straight like this. That's weird. So I play with a 10 and I play like this. I think this is the speed for it. Probably not, because all the way down. Or probably the brightness for it. I don't know. But I'm gonna end it off right here because I can't like functionally set it up yet, simply because my PC doesn't have a router. It comes tomorrow. So I will finish this recording today, edit it today, and it will be published by tomorrow. And when it will be published tomorrow, the mic will be set up. I have to release my HyperX Pro TKL, best keyboard in the world. I don't care for all you GK61 users. Yes, it's faster. It's all preference at the end of the day. I prefer what most pros use, the HyperX Pro TKL. It's satisfying. Listen to it. Now, this mouse, on the other hand, is loud. Oh, also, in my giveaway, I will be giving away this ring. I will put a tag on it. A tag that can only be made by me. When I do my giveaway, me and the person that wins the giveaway will be the only person and the only people in the world that will have this ring. Because this ring is made. I got this from Universal Studios because I just came back from Florida. Ow. But I will put a tag on it so nobody else can replicate it. Nobody else in this world other than my dad has the same exact finger drawing as me. So I will draw a attachment with this, and the person that wins the giveaway will be best partners with me, I guess. Depending on what they want to do, though. With their consent, of course. But that is it for today's video. It's me, your boy Prince. You guys have been awesome, and I'm out. Peace.